Get acquainted with the 2020 Ford Transit. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this sleek and modern Transit. This comfortable, convenient wagon can seat between 2 and 15 passengers and offers a host of options to choose from so you can adapt it perfectly to meet your needs. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, power windows, bucket seats, AM/FM stereo, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Move people and cargo like a pro in this customizable Transit. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.